Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video of TechWafer. Hopefully you are having a great day. Adil here, your host, and in this particular video we are going to discuss and unbox the Realme's Buds Q. These are recently launched, and in this video we are going to find out whether or not these are suitable for you and you should buy these or not. So stay with me till the end of the video to find out everything about the Realme's Buds Q. Here we go. Okay, now we are at the unboxing table, and before proceeding to the unboxing, let's check out the details they mentioned on the box. And speaking about that, these earbuds have 20 hours of long battery life along with 10 millimeters of bass boost drivers, and apart from that these have 119 milliseconds of super low latency with instant connection that is supported by Bluetooth 5.0, and these are ultra lightweight. Another good thing about these earbuds is that these are designed by a well-known French designer, José Levy. And that's not just all. We'll discuss further about the design right when we open it. And let's proceed to the unboxing, and here we go. Well, we're going to keep the unboxing simple, and the unboxing experience of the Realme's Buds Q is pretty straightforward. You get the Realme's Buds Q case, and it has the Realme's branding on it. You get the Realme Buds Q itself in the box, as you can see. Apart from that, you get this cable, and it's a USB Micro 2.0 cable. A few extra tips, we're also getting these just in case the normal one doesn't fit your ears, and a documentation, and this needs to be improved. So that's pretty much it. That's a simple unboxing experience of the Realme's Buds Q. We are not going to waste any time here. Let's move on to the review section. Well, speaking about the design, the Realme's Buds Q design is inspired by the sea cobbles that we usually found around the rivers as well as streams. These are basically stones in oval shape, and they look stunning. The buds offer curved body with matte finish that doesn't let us slip the buds from our hands. The company also distinguished the touch area of the buds from the rest of the body, and they separated it with a glossy material rather than the matte finish that we usually found around the buds. And the glossy finish also has the Realme's logo embossed on it. The matte finish on the body makes it resistant to the drop that often happens. The charging case is noticeably small, and it fits your pocket without noticeable bulge. While we are speaking about the design, we should also talk about the water resistant features, and these buds are IPX4 resistant. That means these are sweat and water splash resistant. The overall weight of the buds isn't that much. You can easily carry them around. The Realme Buds Q comes with the R1Q powered chipset that is really a true wireless headphone chipset with lowest possible latency. The device also features a 10mm driver with dynamic bass boost drivers, and also supports audio formats including SBC and AAAC codecs. Pairing the earbuds with your smartphone or PC is pretty easy and straightforward. It only takes a few seconds. Now, coming to the sound output quality, the earbuds offer bass-heavy music even though they are a bit thin and you wouldn't expect them to provide such bass, but surprisingly these are one of the finest bass-providing TWS earbuds that I've ever used. Not just that, but the vocals that you hear from the earbud are also crisp and clear. With the soft yet premium bass quality, you will fall in love with the songs that you have already heard. And I'd like to mention that the sync between both earbuds is super considering the price range. And the super low latency mode definitely improves the overall gaming experience. Not just that, but also enhances the movie and the songs experience too. And when you are using the low latency mode, the overall latency of the sound is reduced by 50%, and that's a lot. Well, while we are speaking about the connectivity and the performance, the connectivity range also matters, and I'm surprised by the connectivity range of Earbuds Q. The connectivity of the earbuds remains strong even when you are not in the vicinity of the smartphone or the laptop that the headphones are connected with. Okay, so I think before moving any further, we should connect these earbuds to the smartphone that I'm having, and for that you need to have the Realme's Link app installed on your smartphone, and once that's done, you need to open the cover of the case and hold on both earbuds like this for 5 seconds. Once that's done, you simply have to click on the plus icon on your screen and it will show you the Realme's Buds Q option. You simply have to tap on it to pair it and you're good to go. The device will be paired and the earbuds will be connected to your smartphone, and that's a simple process. That's a two-step process. You just have to follow that. And now, speaking about the controls on the Realme Buds Q are pretty simple and straightforward. Just in case you want to pause or play a video, you have to double tap on the touch sensor area here, and the video or the music that you are playing or listening to will pause. If you want to skip to the next track or next video, for that you need to tap 3 times on the touch sensor area like this, and the next track or the next video will start immediately. You can also drop or reject the call by pressing and holding for 2 seconds. And the next thing is the gaming mode, and to enable that you need to either hold both earbuds for 2 seconds like this, and the engine starting voice will notify that you are in a super low latency mode. Or the other procedure that you can follow is enabling that through the Realme's Link app, and that's also pretty simple and straightforward. You just have to toggle the button and it will enable. And I am personally using the default gestures because I have not found any trouble using them. They are pretty straightforward and simple, so you can customize it if you'd like to. Well, as far as the battery life of these earbuds is concerned, I think they are not going to let you down. With the 20 hours of backup and 400 mAh battery pack inside the charging case, you can charge these earbuds 3 times with single charge, and these are going to last forever, I guess. I'm just kidding. These are going to last an entire day if you are listening to music for the full 20 hours. So as far as the battery life is concerned, you can charge them and use them for like 3 or 4 days for all of your activities, including listening to music, attending calls, and also watching movies. And so far I've not noticed any issue in terms of the battery life. I've found these to be reliable. Speaking about the battery capacity of earbud, each has 40 mAh battery pack inside that can last up to 4 hours with a single charge. So as far as the charging or the continuous charging is concerned, you do not have to worry about that as well. While we are speaking about the battery, I have a suggestion for Realme that they should replace the micro USB connector with the Type-C, because that's a standard nowadays and carrying another cable with us is not convenient at all. The case could be charged up to 100% in 2.5 hours. Just in case the tips that comes with the earbud doesn't fit your ears, I recommend replacing them with the extra ear tips that comes along with the earbuds. Before moving on to the verdict, the only earbuds competitor that's available in the market is from Redmi, but that lasts only 15 hours. So in terms of the battery life, Realme Buds Q surpassed them as well. Well, now it's time for the verdict, and I'd like to mention that the Realme's Buds Q are really surprising earbuds that you can find in budget, that has features like long-lasting battery life. Apart from that, it also has impressive sound quality with extended bass. Not just that, but it also has ergonomical design, and these fits perfectly into your ears. And one more thing that I would like to mention here is that these are not going to disappoint you anyhow, because the price that you are going to pay for it, they justify that. And before you go, I would like to mention that these earbuds are available on sale on saman.pk. The link is in the description. Go check them out. So with that being said, thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe to TechWafer for more fresh content like this. See you in the next one. Peace out.